If you plan on continuing to use electricity, you really only have two options at this point. Burn fossil fuels, receive absolutely nothing in return except a higher bill year after year, or install a solar panel system that will pay for itself off in 5 to 6 years, be a tangible asset for your home that will raise the property value. Even if you decide solar panels are not for you, you are still going to spend the same amount of money over the next 5 to 6 years burning fossil fuels as if you were to have installed a solar panel system today. If you can afford your electric bill, you can afford solar panels. There are plenty of zero money down financing options available to homeowners that will produce a lower monthly payment than what they are currently paying a month for electricity. For example, this homeowner here was paying $377 a month for their electric bill and was able to purchase a solar panel system through financing for only $187 a month. At Solar Home Appointments, you can get a free solar report in just 5 minutes. We provide a simple, do-it-yourself online solar consultation. Absolutely no salesman needed. You don't need to talk to anybody. We just ask you a couple of simple questions, exactly like I'm sitting at your kitchen table, and we're able to build you a full report for your home. It's going to show you exactly how many solar panels you'll need, what the net investment in solar in your home would be, what your estimated tax rebate will be. We're also going to give you a price range of systems similar to yours, what they've installed for in your area. We're also going to show you your return on investment and how much money you're going to save over the next 30 years. This homeowner here is going to save $140,000 over the next 30 years by installing solar. So go ahead and get started now at solarhomeappointments.com and find out exactly how much you can save with solar panels today.